Okay, so I want to say I just picked the smallest pump on the end there, and I followed the line, and I think it went to that valve there, which controls the outriggers. I think the rears and the front, and I just diverted off of there, right? And then they give you this box, and then this diverts the hydraulic. There's a little filter that comes with it. There's the brain box, and then it goes into the valve. And Terex already had those little tabs to operate, which but you could weld those on. And I just used metal stock. I don't know if you can see it, but I just used metal stock to make the linkages and welded a little box in here. And then there's the return. And I just teed off right there, right off the top. Wired it into the stop switch, stop-start switch. You know how good those are. And then we got the charger right there.